Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan Russ, and in this video we're going to be discussing on why I started my YouTube channel and why I think you should start your YouTube channel as well. But before we get to this video, please make sure you hit that like button and please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Just to give you guys a little bit of background of who I am a real estate investor for the last 8 years, a buy and hold investor. What that means is I purchase a property, I get a tenant to live in that property, and I get positive cash flow every single month. Who is this channel for? This channel is for anyone who wants to learn. This channel offers self-starters. This channel are for individuals who are entrepreneurs. This channel are for real estate investors. And this channel are for grinders. Real estate has been my financial vehicle in order for me to gain my financial independence. What we'll be discussing in this channel will be many different aspects of money management, about real estate, businesses, LLCs. We'll talk about condos, single family, multifamily. We'll talk about current events and trending topics that, hey, just help the bottom line, which will be your pocket. Why I started this channel: growing up, I seldomly saw individuals that looked like myself that spoke about financial literacy or financial independence. So this inspired me to start a channel to hopefully inspire someone that looks like me, who will look at this video and say, hey, listen, if he did it, maybe I can do it as well. Or hopefully inspire others that can say, hey, through his story, I'm inspired, and now I can go out there and now I can chase after my financial independence and my financial freedom. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a guru. I'm not selling any courses, and I'm not selling anything for that matter. These are just my opinions and my experiences that I'm sharing with you guys out there. The goal of this channel is to add value to someone's life. Hey, if I can inspire one person or motivate one individual, then I feel like I did a good job, right? Thank you for watching. This is just a quick introduction to what this channel is about. I'll be releasing new content every week, so make sure you turn those notifications on so you're alerted when a new video is uploaded. Also in the comment, please let me know why you started your channel and any advices for a newbie. Thank you.